Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to remove backgrounds with Cleanup.Pictures. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to remove backgrounds with Cleanup.Pictures, then all you can do is simply go and tap open Cleanup.Pictures. Once you do this, you can simply use this website and you can simply upload your picture in it. Once you have uploaded your picture, you can either upload it or drag and drop the file. Now you need to select the area you want to rub. You can simply select background or the whole picture itself and hit the clean button. After this, the AI will automatically remove the selected part and regenerate the background to fill it up. So this way you can simply download your finished image to save it and remove backgrounds with Cleanup.Pictures. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.